I'm gonna show you how to do a high party pony. The things that you're going to need are a rat tail comb, a bobby pin, a few little elastics, a few hair ties, and some little clips, and a Mason Pearson. So step one, we're going to section out the front hairline here. So I pretty much start every ponytail sectioning off these front pieces because it's gonna give you more control over the end result. So first section, we're gonna go from ear to ear and come up kind of towards the top of the head. So I'm just gonna use my fingers, go up to the top, comb that down. Then I'm gonna use the Mason Pearson and comb everything straight back. Okay, so if you really wanna get organized with it, you could like clip this stuff down because that is gonna make it a little bit easier. We're gonna brush, and we're gonna smooth it up. Smooth it, smooth it. Then we're gonna take a hair tie, tilt our head back a little. If you kind of feel, then you can see if you have too much tension anywhere, and the tension might create little lumps in the ponytail. Just gonna tighten it a little. Section one done. Then we're gonna take another section right below, but not the rest of the hair. I'm gonna clip that away. Brush all of that up into the previous section. And we're gonna put another hair tie. All right, so now we're gonna take the last bottom section, tilt our head up to get lots of tension and comb all of that into the last section. And this is going to help make sure you don't have a bubble in the bottom of your ponytail. Put another hair tie around all of that. Already so cute. So you can see how that really builds your ponytail, but also keeps it nice and long. If these were shorter, I would keep them out, so I'm gonna leave them out. But you could also comb them back into this ponytail as well, or straight back if you want to have no part in here. Another thing that you can do if you feel like you want this ponytail to go even higher, take an elastic. You're gonna tie this 1 inch from the other hair ties, and then tighten. That's gonna give you a lot more height and bounce. And then, because it looks crazy, you're gonna take a piece of hair, wrap it around. We're gonna wrap it nice and big and smooth. Wrap and take a little bobby pin. And I just open the bobby pin and grab the hair and kind of wrap it once. And then tuck it into that ponytail. The last thing that I'm gonna do is take some light hold hairspray, mist these areas to lay down all of the flyaways and give everything some hold. I want to know what you guys are struggling with or need help with in terms of styling, so please let me know what that is, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next tutorial.